That's a good girl. Good girl, Heidi. Hi, Heidi. You decided to join us? Thanks. Oh, yeah. Hey, Leo! Come! Hey! Come here! Yeah, now! Max isn't coming. Hey, Max! Come on! Well, you're a good girl, too. Hi. Who's gonna get here first? Who's gonna get to me first? Who's gonna do it? Oh, Heidi wins. Leo! Good dogs. Where you going? Wanna come this way? Good girl, Cass. Heidi. Oh, I wonder what we're rolling in over here. Did you find something smelly, or are you just doing that because it feels good? Yeah, all the way down the hill? You got about, that's a good 6 feet. What'd you do? What'd you do? Let's go. Oh, maybe it is something smelly. Hey, you rolling in something? That is something smelly, I bet. Oh, what is it? You dirty rat. Why you do that? Go get Cassie. Where's Cass, Leo? Go get him. Leo! Hey! Good boy. Yeah, go play. She's not as fast as Buddy. Whoop, she gave up. Good boy, huh? She can't catch you. This way. She's Cass. Hey, Cass! This way! How you doing? Yep, I'm good. Come on. Good girl, this way, Cass. Come on, guys. Leo. Good girl, Cassie. Good girl. Come on, Heidi. Leo, come. Good girl. Good girl, Lib. Leo. Good dogs. Good boy. Yeah. Yep. Let go. Good girl, huh? Who's a good girl? And there's the Heidi girl. Hi, Heidi.